Let's explore how to run multi-container applications. Docker Compose in action. Orchestrating multiple Docker containers with a single command using Docker Compose. Docker Compose is a YAML-based tool for defining and running multi-container Docker applications with simplified orchestration. It uses a single configuration file. It can deploy with one command and handles service dependencies. Here is the structure of Docker Compose file. The file name is docker-compose.yml. This YAML configuration file defines services, networks, and volumes for your application. Below is the example code. Version 3.8. Services Web Image Nginx ports 80:80. Database Image Postgres. The basic Docker Compose up command. $docker-compose up starts all services defined in docker-compose.yml with a single command. Here are some common command variations. Docker-compose up-d. Run containers in detached mode, that is background. Docker-compose up double-build. Build images before starting containers. Docker-compose up service_name. Start only specific service and dependencies. Here is an example of a multi-container application, a web app stack. It has a front-end service, a database service, a cache service, all connected and orchestrated together. Services Web Image Nginx:\Alpine ports 8080:80. API Image Node:16 ports 3000:3000. Database Image Postgres:13. This is what happens when you run Docker-compose up. Number 1, it reads docker-compose.yml configuration. Number 2, it creates a default network for services. Number 3, it pulls required Docker images if not present. Number 4, it creates and starts containers for each service. Number 5, it attaches to containers and streams logs. Here are some key benefits of using Docker Compose. Simplified deployment. Start entire application stack with single command. Service coordination. Automatic dependency management between containers. Environment consistency. Identical setup across development and production. Easy configuration. Declarative YAML-based infrastructure as code. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.